Good morning, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. What up? We're going to start in 8 minutes, all right? Let's get the questions and tickets in. I'll be with you all very shortly. All right? See you soon. See you soon. Morning, guys. Hello. No questions yet? No, am I speaking to myself here today? Hello, anybody home? Hello, hello, hello. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Morning, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, cool. I see everyone's questions. Keep them coming in. Keep them coming in hot, hot, hot. Push the gas. Push it, push it, push it. I'll see you guys shortly. Very soon, very soon. In 3 minutes, actually. All right, good morning, guys. 2 minutes till we start. 2 minutes, all right? I might be maybe 3. I'm just going to make some coffee, actually. Be with you shortly. Keep the questions and tickers in. I see them. I see them. I see them. Andrew, if you don't even know where you're selling your PMN, sorry, but I cannot help you with that, right? You need to understand risk management. You should have a realistic target and a stop loss. For me, I'll be very nice to you today, and I will tell you that a realistic target is 5% and a realistic stop loss is 5%. Quick, easy way to trade. See you in a minute. All right, guys. Hello. What up? We are going to start. What is happening? Everyone have a good weekend? Yes, no, maybe? Let me change my screen over. Whoop. Here we go. Cool. Right, see everyone's questions. I see them all. Fantastic. Let me go through some stuff on Twitter and then I'll get to you guys. All right. Pony, what did everyone do this weekend? Anything exciting? Or last weekend, should I say? Pony, your entries are above $14. Anything below? Dunno. I cannot help you if it is below $14 because I would not enter below 14. I'm telling you what I would do, and I would only enter this above 14. $14 break. Wait for $14 break. Okay, cool. Wait for $14. Another one we have is Air. AIRE. I'm not interested in this, to be honest. I don't care about this unless 2990. Air entries only above 0. Guys, tomorrow I'm going over the Discord, all right? For people who are from Twitter, you want to get to see what's in the Discord and what you guys can see in there and all those things, how the alerts work. It's all there. So I will be doing that tomorrow for you. RR. RR is looking good. Been banging on the table about this one, how it's been lagging. I actually took some last week when it was lagging. Very nice. Bullish sector, should continue to go up. Don't know anything about the stock, about news or anything. I just playing based on technicals, so we shall see. Key levels. I see everyone's questions, all right? Fantastic. I see them all. Right, I see GCTK. I've seen the question. I will get to it. Please give me some time. I'm just going to go through everyone's questions first, and then I'll get to you guys, all right? Just bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. Let me just post that we are live now so everyone can join in. Hit post. We are live. Live trading now with alerts. Where is the siren? Get the siren up. There you go. Alright. Okay, cool. Also, guys, remember, just because other people are posting tickets, right? I prefer when you ask questions and all those things because it's a lot more interactive. I don't like just posting tickets because I'm also a human. I like to also know some stuff you guys you struggle with or something you need help with. Much better for you to learn. Me posting a ticker means F all. Doesn't mean anything. Nothing. All right, cool. Okay, let's get to questions. Kit. Good morning. Looks like it's about to go. Kit, yeah, someone's spamming me with Kit earlier as well. For me, at the moment, I don't know how you can see that it's about to go or something. For me, I don't see anything on it, to be honest. Maybe it's pushing up now, but maybe you can enter above here, but I don't see anything like pushing up or about to go. Like maybe you got some magical indicator, fair enough. But yeah, at the moment, your entries would be above 121, I guess. I would take it above 121 if you want to. For me, I'm not interested. I like to play stocks that have volume. I don't like to guess and hope that it's going to run. I mean, it might probably run, but yeah, just for now, what I see. What up, Andrew? Watching open. Yeah, everyone's watching open. Everyone's watching open. Everybody is watching this play. Everybody's watching open. Don't get caught up in all the price targets that people put $50. I've seen some $50 price targets out there. I don't know what they're smoking, but I need some of that because they are as high as a kite. They are in dreamland right now. Maybe because I have a different perspective because I'm a day trader. I don't hold for those long targets. But yeah, that is, don't get caught up in that. Good morning, open. Yeah, open needs $3 break. Then you have a wick filter here at least. But yeah, it's probably going to run today. So many people are in it, watching it and things. So yeah, it's probably the highest probability play to watch. So I'm expecting this to fill the wick at 324. Whether it does or does not, please make sure to have a stop loss and a target. What is a stop loss and target? Go onto ChatGPT, go onto Google, learn and understand what that is. If you trade without stop loss, just give me your money. You might as well. You're wasting your time trading. TAOX. What's happening with TAOX? TAOX has zero volume. I know it's in an uptrend. You're getting a lot of strong wicks around here. For me, not my kind of style of trade. I don't know anything about the stock TAO synergies. Yeah, no, I don't know anything. Just it's at a big resistance area right now, so difficult to trade. Maybe above the highs, like 1260, whatever it is. At a big resistance level. I don't like to buy in resistance. Very high risk doing that. When you're selling PMN, you can sell it whenever you are happy. When you are happy, you sell it. If you're not happy, hold it. Have a stop loss and have a target. Pretty solid bullish pennant. Yeah. Luna's good. We got it as a swing trade in Discord. Views on GCTK. What's my view on GCTK? My view is that I would take an entry above 12.29. I won't be trading this since it is over $10. I don't like to trade stocks over $10, but yeah, it's also, yeah, it's below VWAP right now, so nothing. I'm only interested above 12.29. Entries above 12.29. Anywhere below, not too sure. Maybe you could buy its support here. Not my kind of style of trading, but you can look for possible entries here. Ideally, you wanted to trade it in an uptrend. GCTK, good morning. Good morning. What up? Suggestions for today. All the suggestions are here on the left hand side, my friend. Blue is over $1, orange is under $1. Anyone looking at air? I have it here on my watch list. Maybe you can take impulse entries above here. It looks pretty good. 2290 is right here, actually. Yeah, this is it. Because you have clean range up here. Because you have resistance here, here. Then you have resistance here and here. Like you have a lot of resistance levels right here. And you have more here. It's like very choppy. So for me, breaks above 2990 should continue to go up to at least like 33. DYNX. Let me have a look. Wow, I see gold's going to the moon right now. Whoa. Any idea why gold's running? What is with the gold running right now? It's crazy. DYNX. Let's have a look. DYNX, absolutely nothing. Nothing on this for me. Nothing, nothing, nothing. I would just avoid this. Good morning, good morning. Yes, Tiger Air. Looked at it already. GCTK. Had a look. Please link Discord. Discord is right here. Please remember there are limited spots for each month. Okay, so also one mention is when you join today, it's not going to end at the beginning of the month. All right, you have 1 month from your day that you join. It is auto renew unless you cancel. So if you join today and you cancel today, you will have the full month and it just won't auto renew. That is it. Simple, simple, simple. So if you join today, you will have 1 whole month. Not till the 1st. All right. I see all the questions. Just bear with me. All right. Open. Gonna buy me another boat. Yeah, Open's absolutely insane. Give the... Yes. Let's see how many likes we got. Come on, guys. Push the gas. 11 likes? 90 people? You asked me. That's a bit of a weak performance from you guys. Come on. Push the gas. Make sure you like the video, not the comment section. Like, don't spam like this. See, this means nothing. Make sure you're posting or liking the actual video itself. XL 1 pre-market. What do you think it's going to do? IXHL hit $1 pre-market. It did not hit $1 pre-market. It actually hit 99 cents. So you are incorrect. Now it needs to close above $1. Then it'll be interesting. For me now, nothing. I mean, maybe you're in a demand zone here. Demand zone, if you want to now draw this, you can join the Discord, but it's simply just the last red candle for the move to the upside. So it's in demand zone. Demand zone is where buyers step in. Buyers step in. What happens when buyers step in? We all know. Price usually goes up. So we have this IXHL in demand zone. I like this above $1. If it gets above $1, then I'll be interested to watch it. For now, to be honest, I don't really care. Good morning, IXHL. Bull downtrend break. Bull looks pretty good from what I saw last time. Depends what time frame you're on. I'm only interested above 1750. Is a big resistance here. 1 hour. Might be pulling back into like a demand zone here. Like this $15, $14.40 level. Somewhere around there. Biggest gap up news, but the odds are catching actually runs low. PMS to win the strategy. You need to enter all the duds too. Am I thinking wrong? I don't enter based on news. I just enter based on technicals. So if I see a stock running straight up, I'm not going to enter it. I trade when it gives me a pullback because that's my style. I look for pullback. I look for bullish reversal patterns. I look for candlestick strategy that I do. I look for demand zones, things where I can pull back to and there's a possible reverse to the upside. But I will not take it if it's running up, straight up. Because what goes up has to come down. I like to play the pullback. But you don't just gamble and choose which one's going to run. If that's what I'm reading correctly. PW, not too sure what you see on this. Nothing on this for me, to be honest. Don't know, is this 52-week low or something? I don't know. No, there's nothing on here. Maybe you see support, but at the moment, for me, I don't see anything entering. Last week, this was banging around. Would you call demand zone UPXI? 5 demand zone. UPXI. What is your 825, 850? 821 to 844. This demand zone here. It does have a gap down, so be careful of that. UPXI, yeah, but it's bullish at the moment. Check crude oil. What's the ticker for crude? Is oil going down? What's the ticker for this? I know it's different on all these, especially on this Weeble and that. You can let me know. Good morning, good morning. ECDA. ECDA. What's time ECDA? ECDA, not too sure what you see on this. Absolutely nothing. I wouldn't even bother. Nothing, nothing. Maybe above 0.36, but right now, not my kind of style trade. So it's OPTT, needs to still break that level, I'm assuming, unless it's broken it. Oh, it's finally broken it. 0.6, so right now you're at the highs, so you're pretty much pushing to the upside. I wouldn't take an impulse above here because there's not much volume and it can fake out and come straight down. But you can watch this level for sure, 0.815, and then I can give you the next key levels, which are 0.865, 0.865, and 0.92. But yeah, it's looking very good. I mean, the chart's obviously very bullish. Don't know what's going on, why it's up, but yeah. There's no news that I see on Weeble, but yeah. Overall chart, very bullish. Bullish chart. There's your key levels. I would enter above 8150 if I had to re-enter or take an entry. ECDI, I had a look. I don't know what you see on ECDI. Unfortunately, I don't see anything. Crypto is diving in the gold standards now, I think. Lots of chatter over the weekend. Wait, driving the gold standard. Oh, yeah. I noticed that recently as well, like the last probably month. I'm not kidding. IXHL, yeah, it's just in demand zone. I personally don't like to enter here because we're below VWAP. If it gets above VWAP, then maybe, yeah, possible entries, but you are starting to get a falling wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern. You have a demand zone, which is good. Getting a couple of other confluences that we look for with the setup. So yeah, if you do enter, I just have a max 5% stop loss or 7%. Falling wedge plus demand zone. Two bullish indications of, or these are two indications of reversal. Falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern, meaning price should go up. Demand zone is where buyers step in. So, meaning that if it's in this pattern, it should go up. If it's in demand zone, it should go up. You have two reasons why this should go up. Then if you understand candles, you can understand what these wicks are, so on and so forth. I am new here. Can you explain what color lines mean? Blue is psychological, so $1, $2, $3.50, $4.50. White line is just a trend line, so it can be bullish pattern or something. Orange is just demand zone. Yellow is just same as resistance, but it's not psychological resistance. KWM. KWM did run up, but it's straight up and back down. 575 maybe look good. My goodness, gold is still going up. This is insane. And wait, so there's no news on gold? It's got a huge breakout on like the larger time frames. Like daily time, it's going for all-time highs. What is going on here? It hasn't even had a pullback at all today. Crypto Diamond Gold, yes. IXHL, I'm new here. KWM, PMN, what's the range this week? I don't know what the range is this week. I have no idea. I can give you short-term goal or levels. 125 is your next big level. Then you have 145, then 170, I think. So focus on these levels. If you're up more than 5%, personally, I just take at least 50% of my position. Then if you're holding long term, it's a completely different style of trading. I can't help you with that. I'm just giving my perspective on how I trade and what I would do. These are your key levels. I'm in a stock for a few minutes and I'm out. That's how I trade. But if you're a long-term swing trader, you might have to look into the news and the company and all those things because I don't know what's going to happen after I get out. Big, it's a damn yard, yeah. Thank you on UPXI, no problem. Oh, WTI, yes. No, not WTI. Where is it? It's not this. See, there's so many. Which one is it? It's not this. Surely it's not this. No, I don't know what it is. It's weird. WTI US. Am I blind? It's not this. Surely it's not this. There's nothing going on. Anyway, APLD is very good chart. Very nice setup. Bullish. Here's your next levels. 1309. And 1485. Gave this a swing 2 weeks ago. Check this out. Very nice chart. Broke above here, room to 1309. After 1309, room to 1485. This is a good long-term play in my opinion, but do your own DD and decide what you want to do. Make sure to have a stop loss. If you don't have a stop loss and trade, then you are an idiot. Okay, thoughts about game. This was runner, didn't do anything last week, did it? It was a week before, I think. Yeah, game nothing less 235. Entries only above 235. Game entries are only above 235. Don't know what's happening now. Right now it's going down. How am I doing? I'm doing great. How are you? DVLT. DVLT, don't know, nothing on this for me. Maybe it's reversing. You could try and wait for this high break here, 7085. Maybe try this, 7085. Maybe looks good. Can you clarify if you only buy once the market opens, if we should stay away from pre-market? It's up to you what you decide. I rarely ever trade pre-market now. I'm just kind of focusing more on intraday so I can trade with normal size, because I don't like trading with small size, just trying to trade for the sake of it. So pre-market I usually do trade. If I do, if I do usually trade pre-market, it's like 10% of my account. If I trade normal or market open, I trade with 25 to 30% of my account. But if you're new and starting out, I would avoid pre-market and after hours 500% of the chart time. So I would never trade it. Because price action is not the same, it's very difficult to trade. You cannot have a stop loss during those times, and very high risk. That's my honest opinion. That's why when Discord members join, I give the setups there if they're there, if they want to take it. But at the end of the day, it's too high risk for me personally to tell you guys to take trades during pre-market, especially new people. But we do have this, I give the alerts and stuff there for those who do like to trade it, because they are awake and busy and all those things. Or able to, sorry. Can you clarify? Yes, thanks. What was the most painful mistake you made early on? Not to have a stop loss, and to listen to people on Twitter, and to join other Discord groups that I found that were just giving alerts. I didn't understand what on earth I was doing. And I wanted to create a community where I could teach people how I trade and how it is actually trading style and how you can make money in the market, not just giving alerts. So I, myself and Hassi have both created a community where we show our setups, our alerts, we give our reasonings, and our strategy is on the Discord. So they can understand and learn, okay, this is why they took the trade, not, oh, they just alerted because someone said this and this. So the most important thing, or the most painful thing, was joining all these other Discords, I guess, and not explaining to me risk management. That's why when you join the Discord, the number one and the first episode is risk management. You need to understand that everyone knows how to trade. It's easy to trade. If you don't know how to manage a risk, you're going to suck at trading forever. So you need to understand managing risk. How much to trade with, where's your stop loss, where's your target. Obviously, that all depends on your trading style and your how much you're willing to risk and all those things. It depends. So the way I teach and the way we teach is very simple. It's based on our strategy and how we trade, not on anyone else's. Because you'll find online that there are people who have 50% stop loss. There are people who have no stop loss. For me, I always have a stop loss every trade, even if I think it's going to $5 million. It's in a bullish pennant, but there's no volume on it right now. Absolutely no volume. No volume. How's BBA going? Let me have a look, brother. BBAI, 1 hour chart. BBAI, you could try above 833. It's definitely a big play to watch this week, again, because it's extremely bullish. However, I do believe it does need a pullback at some point because it is extremely bullish and it's not pulling back for some reason. I would wait for 833 break on BBAI. 833 break. Right, let's like up the stream, guys. Come on, it's literally free. It's free. We have 90 people in here and we only have 27 likes. When we get to 70 likes, I will continue and I will help. But for now, come on, guys. It's the least you can do. Least you can do. LMFAs, yeah, it's trying to reverse off demand zone here. As I mentioned, demand zone is where buys step in. Discord members, you know what these candle wicks are, and this what's forming here, and some other confluences you're looking for. It's looking pretty good. We'll see, but I don't like this wick like that. Very strange volume spike or something. WLGS, I definitely would avoid something like this, but people like to trade these 6-cent stocks, so it's up to you what you guys decide. Honestly, if I was to take this trade, it would only be above the highs, because if it breaks the highs, I know there's a high probability to continue to go up. I wouldn't buy here because I don't know what's going to happen. Main reason is you have a resistance here, you have a resistance here, and then you have a resistance here. You break above here, you have clean range to the upside. How high? Aim for 5% target. Something realistic. If you want to aim for 500%, go ahead. WLGS, impulse, entries above 0.0660. Impulse entry means as soon as it breaks the high, you can take the trade. If you don't know how to do that, don't do it. Okay, let me go through these plays here real quick. So PMN, what's happening here? Looking good. 125's next level. SABS, personally not too interested in right now. GCTK, I probably won't be trading it. It's $10. We'll just move this one off my watch list for now. SQNS back up. No. Open, obviously this is looking like one of the best setups. LMFA, it's trying to push up, but we are below VWAP. I don't like to trade stocks below VWAP. Big rejection here at VWAP, as you can see. BBAI is pushing up a little bit. HSDT is coming down. Not really interested in this. This is also $13, so I won't be trading it probably, so I'll just move it off my watch list. Air, 2990 is what you're looking for in this. 0.2990. This looks very good. This looks good. IXHL, it's looking all right. You are below VWAP, but I mean, it's a bullish chart pattern, so you expect it to go up. We'll have to wait and see what this does do, because when you get close to open like this, it's very difficult to take a trade because you're not too sure what on earth's going to happen, you know? Right, what else is there? TNFA, this one, just in demand zone, to be honest. These are the kind of plays that's good to watch because they just range like this, and then they can possibly push to the upside. So it's just like ranging here in this demand zone, holding this level to continue to go up, you know? Okay, hi Tiger, I'm planning to investing small caps in August. Shall I wait October as it's going to be less volatile in summer and not much opportunity? In my opinion, there is a lot more opportunity now. But yeah, there's no like right time to start trading. It depends. Are you trying to invest in it in terms of like to buy those stocks and hold them long term, or are you trying to learn how to day trade? What is your situation? Because the reason I ask is because if you want to learn, you can simply join the Discord if you want to learn how I trade, and myself and Hassi, how our strategies are and everything. But yeah, there's in my opinion, there's no point in waiting. I thought when I also started this, like our summer's a lot quieter, especially here in Dubai. People go on holiday, so things are quieter. It's actually, we're very, very busy in the Discord. We have a lot of people joining pretty much every day. So it's, yeah, the market, there's opportunity every day. And the good thing is the way that we trade the pre-market movers, we trade the runners every single day. So there is always stocks with news, whether it's earnings, catalysts, technical breakouts, it's news in general. So yeah, it just depends. In my opinion, if you want to start, I would just start now. There's no point in like waiting, to be honest. But up to you. If you have more time, then yeah, fair enough. Up to you. Can I join Discord with a small account? Yes, you can join whatever account you have or whatever trading knowledge you have, right? What we teach people is how to trade as a trader, real traders, not bullshitters, not people who give and spam tickers and just say boom, 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 boom. I will teach you how to trade. You can watch every single video on the WAP portal, going from risk management, understanding candlesticks, understanding support and resistance, all those things. Yes, of course, we have the alerts there, but our goal isn't an alert service. We're not an alert Discord. We do give them. We give option alerts, swing trades, and day trades, right? But overall, our goal is for you to learn how we trade, understand our strategy, and basically trade with us. That's really what we want you to do. Gain consistency and all those things. But it doesn't matter what account size you have. You can have $1 million or $500. Obviously, we would recommend at least $500 to $1,000. And we tell people you're not going to double your account. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, it might hurt your feelings because maybe someone you follow on Twitter or something gives you some false information because he's driving a flying car or some bullshit. But yeah, that's not the reality. The reality is, if you can aim for 1% on your account a day, it's not realistic to do it every day, but if you can aim for 1% on your account a day, that's 5% a week and 20% a month. If you know anything about ROI or anything about investing, 20% a month is absolutely phenomenal. And that's the honest truth, unless you're selling drugs or something. PMN still worth entry? For me, I would not enter right now. No. You're at the highest point of the day. For me, it's just chasing and FOMOing. There's a lot more opportunity when it pulls back because it will come down at some point. If you want to enter now, feel free to do as you please. But I'm basing it on my entry and how I would trade. For me, I wouldn't enter the trade right now. No. What are my thoughts on CYN? CYN. My thoughts on CYN is absolutely nothing. CYN is going down, 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 down. Nothing on CYN. You see this? This is danger. Red is danger. No good. Thank you, Tiger. No problem, my friend. No problem. Finally, for today, what are good day trades? Can you list? They're all on your left-hand side, my friend. In the blue and orange plays. Just to understand, Mr. MMN, I know you are probably new or you going to try and buy every single one of these and hope they run. That is not the way to trade, my friend, unfortunately, and that is not the way I trade either. These are just possible trades that I might look for when the market opens. Then I will see, okay, maybe out of all these plays, maybe only 2 out of them, 2 out of these 12 here, right, or wherever it is, will give me a possible entry, and then that's when I will look for my trade. I'm not going to buy now because it's on my watch list. Keyword watching doesn't mean buy. It's not a buy list. All right, so that is what I decide to do. If you want to buy because it's on my watch list and because I have some followers on my account and things, then do as you please, my friend. But that's not the way. Nope. These are all just the highest probability plays to run because they have the volume, and I need volume to trade because I'm a technical trader. There is no volume, I cannot trade. PRPH, maybe above this wick right now. Not my style, it's very low volume. Yeah, it might be reversing, but I don't see anything yet, unfortunately. And based on this chart, I don't really, not really my style, unfortunately. Very transparent. Yeah, I mean, I'm just going to tell you how it is, my friend. It's the truth. BTOG, this was a crazy runner last week. So BTOG, maybe it's $1 psychological. I would wait for at least a 5-minute candle to close above $1. That's the truth. BTOG, wait for $1 close above to enter. So yeah, $1 above. I'll put this on my watch list because Hassie's probably going to trade this. And what is the other one? Gonna do one more here, hover, and then I've got to head into Discord. I've got to set up live trading. Hover, close above, I would say 196. I would wait for $2. $2 because 196 and $2 is very close. And the main reason why $2 is a very big psychological level. Psychological level is just a strong area of support resistance. So $2, $2.50, $3, $3.50, so on. So I would wait for maybe a close, a candle body to close above this. Then I would look for an entry. That's what I would do. All right. Okay, guys, thank you for joining. Very, very good session. We got nice views today. Very nice, very nice. I will be back again tomorrow. If you want to join, this is the Discord here. I will be live trading in 20 minutes for an hour. Then Hassie will be the other hour. All alerts with entry, stop loss targets are posted here, not on Twitter.